What are you on the phone about? What are you talking on the phone about? What's mean? What is that? To pick it up later? Oh, you can have this. We don't need to be whiny. I just wanted to see who you were talking to on the phone. Who was on the phone, Toothy? Hey. Okay. Okay. Would you like up here with me?